morning. How you guys doing? How na day? Ryan, sorry now. So guys, this is not Thursday morning. How na day? Ryan, please now. Look at you guys should see what Ryan is doing now. Mona see what Ryan they do. He dey cry say he want go school, he want follow Greta go school, and he not well. Last night we not sleep. Oh, Ryan cough. So today now, I got okay, make I wash am today, may not go school. Now Ryan begin to cry, say he must go. People rejoice too. Rejoice is not feeling fine too. This one too get catarrh last night. Lock last night, he not feel breathe. Ah God. So Greta just dey comot now. Greta don't go school. So just Ryan, me, and Rejoice. So daddy want go put a Greta for bus for outside gate here. Okay. See, I tell now before saying a bus or till they go school from house to school, from school to house. Okay. So guys, yeah, my kids are not feeling fine. Ryan, say hi. It's okay now. It's okay. Okay, don't worry. Let's wash it today. Tomorrow you go. Okay, Ryan. Okay.
Hi.
So now, guys.
Hi.
I want to do tea for Ryan, so make it for take their medicine together with Rejoice, okay? Now that is one thing about Ryan. Even when he not going, you go see they say he want go school. You go see they say he want go school. Which one you there for? Ah, see your nose, baby. See your nose. Are you guys seeing her nose? Ah, God. Rejoice not sleep last night too. Yummy, yummy. Sorry. See your nose. What give I like about Ryan? They like take medicine, and most of their medicine for here they sweet. Ryan, they like take medicine. You know they cry, not they drag. Okay. Yeah, it's sweet, right? Their medicine for you, especially children, they always it go be like honey. But yeah, Rejoice, come and take your own. Rejoice, take. You guys not see her nose. I just use Oreo to rub your nose. So now they come outside. Sorry. So I want to good. Good. You want lick her. It's sweet. Leave there. Rejoice. It's a lick spoon. It's sweet, right? Ah. I wish it's not sweet now. You know, only spoon. Look at this girl. Ah, thank God. They are getting better. Look at them. Washing phone. Thank God they are getting better. Oh, since why I take you the medicine now, that morning time. At least the cough just reduced, like really reduced. So I don't playing. Thank God though, they are getting better. Ryan, let Rejoice look now, please. Okay, let Rejoice look. Okay, share. Okay, share with your sister. Okay, Ryan.
Hi.
Rejoice, how are you feeling? Hi. 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 How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
Hi.
No, leave my phone.
Oh.
How are you feeling? Fine.
Hi.
Okay. So my people, I want to cook stew. So stew and rice. So now what we will eat as lunch. Okay. I want to cook stew. This now the tomatoes, pepper, onions. This now the fresh pepper. So I just want to wash and my blend them. Though my meat don't they fire already. Meat don't they fire already. Chicken, turkey. No, you don't ignore us. Yeah, my madam they here. They make noise here. Rejoice, what is your problem? Fine. What are you saying? Want to help mommy?
Donuts. Parcel.
Parcel.
Pie.
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 Donuts.
Donuts.
Parcel.
Parcel. Yeah, this is begin. After I said this begin, we all the talk at me with Italy as like he never even start school. This speaking. I tell you, talk with Italy, rejoice. Oh God, this guy. I tell you, he dey do with. Donuts.
Pie.
Pie. Donuts. Pasta. And pies.
Donuts.
What are you saying, Rejoice? Pies, donut, pasta. What is it? What are you saying? Go carry. So my people, I want to go carry grater for downstairs. Time don't reach for her to close for school. I know so she don't close for school now. Their boss will do done now. In 5 minutes time, they'll reach here. Make we go carry her from school. I see they cook. Just turn off the heat. Then if I come back, I continue. Yeah, Ryan, let's go. Let's go. So we are going now. Rejoice them. I got for back my for work fast. Let me lock my door. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go. Yeah, Ryan, come. Let's go. Come away your jumper. Come away your jumper. So, Ryan. So, guys. Look, guys. Rain for you, Ryan. Go. Oh yeah, we don't get time again. Oh. Hey. Yeah. Chubby. So guys, we are outside. Yeah, let's wait here. So guys, we are outside. Where are you going? Where take it. Take. Rejoice. Take. Don't worry, Greta will soon be here. So Greta is here. Yeah. Ciao, Greta. See, my daughter is back. Grazie. Oh yeah, let's go. Grazie. Ciao. Oh yeah, inside. Greta is on school. Greta, she's happy. Greta, you are happy. We just eat finish now. Now see I say Ryan no gree eat, just dey take am dey play na the kata. So kata no let am fit eat. So I wan fry plantain for they like eat plantain. So I wan fry plantain for her. So when we dey eat, Rejoice dey sleep that time, so she don't wake up now. So I'll feed her too. Then I'll fry plantain for Ryan. Greta, you know they chop all this one. So Greta na fries, turkey, then milk and chocolate. Now Greta they eat. So this is not the turkey when I fried left when I fried this afternoon. Also when I dey show, when I dey prepare stew. So this is not the turkey when I fried. Now what Greta eats so with fries when I fry for her. So now what Greta they eat to then with latte. There is a milk with chocolate. So what Greta they eat now milk with chocolate. Then fries, turkey, fried fish. So now what Greta when they eat rice, you know they eat beans, you know they eat pasta. I mean spaghetti, indomie. Greta no they eat. So but Ryan they try they see they eat small. So the plantain. After I fry the plantain, then I'll go shower. So after I shower, then we'll just play some more. Then by this time now, around 4 within now. So let me just see what I can just quickly do. I will see you guys later. Thank God, Ryan is eating this. I'm done cooking. Yeah. So guys, my soup is ready. Hope so I enjoyed this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Okay, so I will end this video here. I'll see you again for my next one. Bye.